Hello, hello. Today we're going to change the oil with my boyfriend Tom Mueller. The oil is dirty, so have to change. He's trying to unscrew all the bolt. Tom, you have to teach me.
Just unloosen it a little bit.
Huh?
It should go right in.
So I just take this off? Oh.
Unloosen that nut, the bolt.
So I just take this out?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then move out of the way.
1, 2, 3. Oh wow.
You got it all over here. You did.
Sorry.
You're lucky. Just a little bit. You can just put the bolt right here.
Wow, that's a lot of.
See how dirty it is? You unloosen this cap up here too and it goes back.
It's so black.
I told you. You're saying it. You don't
So
need
dark.
it. You
Yeah.
needed it like a long time ago.
And then what's the next to do, Tom?
I gotta take off that filter.
But-
Once the oil's all leaked,
And then
you
cover it?
just put it back in,
Okay.
wipe it off, and put it back in.
It's almost. Ay. Do I have to wipe all? Tam Tam.
The black thing.
Huh?
The black thing there.
So,
There's a tool on it. It's kind of stuck on there, so
what do you want me to do?
you have to turn it.
Turn it to the right.
Here, let me put this thing. You're gonna spill it all over the place.
Turn to the right.
Is it underneath it?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah, turn to the right.
Yeah. No.
What?
Turn to the left. Right is tight. Left is loose.
Okay, what do you want me to do after?
Let it, is it draining?
Tom, is this a lot of oil?
No. But there'll be oil, yeah. Let it loose. Let it drain some first.
Okay.
And then when it starts stopping, then you're gonna screw it out of the way.
All the way
It's
down.
all filled with oil though, so you gotta keep it like upright. You know what I mean? Like it's a glass of water. Don't dump it out. Turn it and then
Turn it slow.
Yeah, and then you'll feel it's gonna come off.
It's nothing.
Keep turning.
It's gonna pause.
It's gonna fall eventually, but you don't want it to fall. You gotta hold on to it and then dump it into the thing.
Ay! Punyata!
That's what I was telling
Ay,
you
shit.
not to do, okay?
Eh!
Now you know. Don't touch it. It's all, you're all oily. You gotta take this.
I have to change the, what's it call it? This is the
Pre-oiled
okay.
oil filter.
Free oil? What?
Pre-oiled.
Pre-oiled filter?
This is the seal. Usually you have to put oil on it, but
Mm-hmm.
they put oil already.
Okay.
Once it's tight, you go 1, 2, 3. That's all.
Okay, it's done.
And then this other one,
What's that?
you just hand tightened it, right?
Yeah.
This one you tighten. 1, 2. Good.
It's all good
Done.
here. And then,
And I put
This
this
one?
plastic thing back on.
okay.
I usually like to take the oil out.
Okay, I'm going to take that off. Wait, Sam. Okay. Then it's your stuff. Okay. Easy. That's the oil and the filter. Dapat kukuha kayo ng ganito. This is look like para sa oil. Kaya pag dinam nyo lang, gamitin nyo ito. See? You okay? It's hard?
No.
Thank you for helping me.
Oops. Oh, I see.
Okay, I'm gonna help you. Here. Closer to you. The stuff is behind your head. The for a screwdriver.
So you use your feet, see this?
Yeah, and I hurt my finger.
Yeah, you don't put your fingers here. You don't. I'm just using my feet. You don't use your hands.
Okay. You have to cover around.
Clean.
Oh, it's like new oil.
It's like clean.
Oil for cooking. Tam, are you going to put that oil?
Yeah, this is 5 quarts. It takes 4.8 quarts. So
Wow.
I'm gonna just keep a little bit in there. It's really slow to go in.
Then why we all the oil is like a little bit coming off from that. We use all the oil
What?
when I change the oil.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's a little bit. Just a little bit coming off.
A little bit?
Yeah,
No.
not that us.
This whole much came out.
Is it?
Yeah. Most of it came out in the first 3 seconds.
Oh.
Usually
This is the old oil. See how it's look like? So dark. Wow.
You know what we do with this?
I'm gonna dump it.
Recycle.
Oh, recycle. Yeah, we're going to recycle the old oil.
See? It's just the same amount as
Tama,
we put in. A little bit less.
That's the old oil, recycle. Are you wanna drink it? Now let's see how it look like after change the old oil. See how it clean? This is a new one, new oil. Tapos na. Thank you and God bless. Mabuhay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Done. Thank you, Tom.